Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my quick guide to how to mod on Twitch. Drink and Run here, and I've modded on Twitch for over 5 years now. I'm making this series to make your life as a new mod or small streamer easier. In this video, I'm going to cover how to refund channel points. If this video helps you out and you'd like to see more, please press all the good buttons down below. Also, feel free to leave a comment letting me know which topic you'd like to see me cover in a later video. Please note, I'll be showing this from my browser. I don't really use the mobile app, so apologies if that's what you're looking for. If that's something you'd like to see later, let me know in the comments. Channel points are a fun way for chat to engage with the stream. All kinds of things can be made into a redemption. Chat can request the streamer do something. They can make noises or clips play during the stream. They can even be set up to change scenes in OBS. But sometimes technology fails us, and redemption breaks so a clip isn't able to play. Sometimes a streamer just isn't able to do the thing requested in the redemption. Whatever the reason, as a mod, sometimes you'll need to refund channel points. How do you do that? Unlike my previous videos where there's several ways to accomplish a task, this one's pretty straightforward without a lot of different options. First, we're going to head over to Mod View. To get to Mod View, click on the sword icon under the chat window. From here, there's a couple different ways to get where we need. You can click on the dots next to a redemption activity and pop out the rewards queue. Or over on the left-hand side, you can click on the reward request queue. You can either resolve it here, or you can pop out the queue, which I'll do real quick to show you what it looks like. From either of those places, find the redemption that you would like to refund, check the box next to it, and then click Reject. As you can see in the box that pops up, this will refund the channel points back to the person who redeemed it. If you checked multiple redemptions, this Reject button down below will refund the points for each one you selected. Note that if someone went in and marked the redemption as complete, it will not be possible to refund those points back. I hope this guide helped you out. There's a lot that goes into modding on Twitch. If you have something you'd like to see covered in a future quick guide to Twitch modding, let me know in the comments. Also, I don't just mod on Twitch, I've started streaming too. There's a link to my channel in the description. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific time. We have a fun community and I'd love for you to join us. I like interacting with my chat a lot, so you're welcome to ask me questions about modding there too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.